Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to activate Target gift card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in target.com and search. Make sure to log into your Target account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right and entering your correct credentials for your account. Once you're signed into your Target.com account, click on your name drop down at the top right and click on the gift cards option. Now, in order to activate a new gift card online for Target, click on the Save a New Gift Card option at the top right. Enter your gift card number that you would like to add on your account in the first text box and also type in your access number on the next field. Finally, tap on Add in order to add the particular gift card on your Target account. So that is how you can easily activate your Target gift card online within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.